If you're looking for a reliable AIO that doesn't break the bank, the ML240L Core is a solid option. It offers superb performance, near silent noise, sleek aesthetics, and an affordable price tag. It's the perfect pairing for mid-range CPUs if you want to get the most value out of your money. It has the features of a high-end AIO without costing that much. The cooler is available in two color schemes, the standard black version and a white variant. It's worth noting that the white variant will cost you a little more money, but it will look great on a white build. The black version is more standard and will look good in almost all builds, plus the added ARGB fans should make it easier to make the cooler match your existing lighting. Speaking of the fans, the ML240 Core features two 120mm fans, each rated for a max RPM of 1750, which will be more than enough to cool most CPUs. With Cooler Master's optimized fan speed curve, you can rest assured that your CPU will be cool even under high loads. The fans look good, but what about the radiator? The ML240L Core features a 240mm radiator. It features expanded radiator fins, which should hasten heat dissipation, resulting in overall better cooling performance. On the topic of heat dissipation, the ML240L Core's pump is quite efficient at that. While it's mostly the same Asetek pump that most other competitors use, Cooler Master has made some adjustments to make it even better. Most importantly, the redesigned copper plate targets the hotspots of the CPU more accurately. This is then paired with a faster water flow and pressure to make the cooling even more efficient. So far so good, but what about compatibility and installation? This cooler supports a wide range of sockets and comes with separate mounting hardware for AMD and Intel. It is always nice to have room for an upgrade in the future. The installation process is quite standard, so you'll not have any problems there. Now, for one of the most important factors of a good AIO, the noise levels. A cooler can be great at performance, but it can be equally annoying if it has bad acoustics. Thankfully, the ML240 Core doesn't disappoint in that regard either. Under maximum load, the noise can go up to 27.2 decibels, but that's the worst-case scenario. For normal gaming sessions, acoustics won't be a problem. There are quieter options out there, like the Phanteks Glacier 1 240, but the ML240L Core is just better in terms of pure performance. With performance and acoustics out of the way, let's talk aesthetics. As mentioned, the ML240L Core comes in two color variants, each looking quite good. Cooler Master clearly chose a minimalistic theme for this cooler. The cooler doesn't have a ton of RGB, except for the fans and the iconic Cooler Master hexagon on the pump. This could be a deal-breaker for some people, but on the contrary, it offers superb cooling, minimal aesthetics, and adequate acoustics. While there are other options at this price range, the ML240L provides probably the best value. To sum up, what I like is the minimal aesthetics, expanded radiator fins for better heat dissipation, simple installation, great value for money. On the downside, design might be too simple for some people, acoustics could be slightly better. Ratings: design and aesthetics, 8.5 out of 10. Cooling performance, 9 out of 10. Noise, 8.5 out of 10. Installation, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 9.5 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10. Don't stop here. I've more videos packed with suggestions and reviews to help you optimize your setup.